The video you've provided discusses the transformation of One Times Square, a historically significant but largely empty building, into a modernized tourist destination and ad space. Here's a summary. 1. Historical background. One Times Square, located in the iconic Times Square area of New York City, was originally built as the headquarters for the New York Times in 1905. However, due to its odd floor plan and the lucrative nature of advertising space, the building has remained mostly empty since the 1970s. 2. Redevelopment plans. Developers announced a $500 million makeover in 2022 to turn the building into a tourist destination. The redevelopment includes a 12-floor immersive exhibit with digital and augmented reality experiences, as well as a museum dedicated to the building's history.
3. Architectural challenges. The unique triangular shape of the building presented challenges for construction teams, but innovative solutions were implemented, such as installing elevators on the outside of the building and creating a cantilevered viewing platform. 4. Construction logistics. Despite the chaotic environment of Times Square, construction efforts have progressed, with materials and steel beams being brought in during off-peak hours and carefully orchestrated operations.
5. Financial implications. Redevelopment projects like this not only preserve historical landmarks but also serve as lucrative investments, particularly in a prime location like Times Square. The revamped building is expected to generate even more revenue through advertising and tourism. 6. Significance of redevelopment. This project highlights the potential for construction to transform outdated structures into profitable assets, even in bustling urban environments. Overall, the redevelopment of One Times Square reflects both the challenges and opportunities inherent in revitalizing historic landmarks in major cities.